Welcome to Racer TV. Right now, you are probably saying, no way. This cannot be based on the same Honda Rebel I have just seen. And here I am saying, yes it is. It became completely different, didn't it? And that is exactly why I love this project. It challenges everything we could expected from this new Honda. Who else but Zeus to make such radical transformation? He is the owner of Zeus Custom from Thailand, as you probably remember from other episodes on this channel. It is interesting to see that just as other Zeus Custom projects, this one also has sort of a Zeus fingerprint. In fact, it can be easily recognizable as one of his works. So, what do I think about this project? Considering what this motorcycle looked like before, I really believe that it could not look better. Well, I confess that I would like to see it with tarmac tires. But that would be just a personal hunch. It looks simple, very proportional, and with a very classic approach. But this last feature is probably one of the hardest things to achieve. As you have probably already seen, a new subframe had to be built to achieve this cafe stance. And here is what I found during my editing work. I noticed that the length of the new subframe built by was initially longer. But just as any great builder, he saw what was wrong and changed it. In my opinion, these small corrections are the kind of details that make a great builder, as Zeus is. It demonstrates that he is also searching for perfection. That is why most of his projects look so good. But what really stands out in this project is this remarkable fuel tank. The general shape is really beautiful. In fact, it has been a long time since I have seen such an elegant custom tank. All the rounded lines make it very harmonious. And this leather detail, with the Monza fuel cap, makes everything look even more perfect. Notice how this curved line is perfectly aligned with this frame tube. But the big secret that makes this fuel tank so important on this project is this area. Was extremely clever on the design of this fuel tank, because it hides the biggest problem of the original frame structure, creating this horizontal line that we find on most classic cafe racers. This solution is not entirely new, but it is so very well integrated that we completely forgot that there is a big and diagonal structure underneath. And this is what I call a perfect transformation. I don't know if any of the Honda designers are going to see this episode. But if they do, it would be a wonderful opportunity to check the potential of a cafe racer version based on the new Honda Rebel. I have to say that I am getting used to find amazing motorcycles built by Zeus Custom. This is what I already consider as normal. But in my opinion, this one is beyond amazing. And something tells me it will be a serious candidate to the top 10 best cafe racer of this year. Thank you for watching Racer TV. And as always, I hope to see you next week.